said, I have a lot of people in the States that follow me, and actually it came to me. People, one of my friends said that other friends are trying to watch live, and it's, it's not working. But this is one of the reasons why I keep telling you guys I need you to start following me on YouTube. Can you give me one paper? I'm writing me YouTube, but it's probably gonna be back and front. Anyway, I need you guys to start following me on YouTube and Instagram, other mediums, because if this is what we're gonna have to deal with, if I decide to play a little music, I don't want to deal with this. Because as I said, you don't make money from Facebook. The amount of views that I have on Facebook, if I had those numbers on YouTube, I probably would not be sitting here talking to you. Seriously. You understand me? So I need you guys to take tonight. I need you to take tonight as a lesson, and please do not hesitate to go go subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I can't deal with this. And as I said, YouTube, you can't play music either, but at least you make money. You understand me? If you don't make money, it don't make sense. Me not make money, me not make sense over Facebook. Me need to go up on my YouTube page, and the name for YouTube is CC Lane 876. As you type in CC, you're not supposed to find me. You understand me? Not take nothing for to find me. Thank you, internet, for notifying me that I wasn't being aired in the United States. At least I said we're seeing you now with comments and Tampa, Florida. So what is that? So we're gonna kind of run it back. Go and share the video. Go and share. When I enjoy the song, give me some hearts. Them can't stop my song. I might sing this. Them can't stop this. You understand me? Babylon can't stop this. Alright, so I'm gonna burn some fire. Give me some hearts if you enjoy the show. When you want motivation, just listen to our talk. Make sure that you want to CC live. You have to listen to every word. When CC a talk, you inspired. You want to natural life, and you want to lie. Show if you're active in your life like many verbs. Yes, she makes sure say you want to be with CC life. You don't need no TV. Come on, share the video. Get ready to enjoy CC. And you have to show no if you want or maybe. She ready to educate. So make sure you log on to CC Live. It's my song. I can't take this. This is mine. Alright, look at fat Garfield eyes them I know. This is God's thing. Maybe that's a dancer from my own. So I'm ignorant body, Alright guys, so I was reading some stories earlier. YouTube, I'm best friend. Can you pin my YouTube channel on this? I don't even know how to pin things. I don't know how to pin clothes and pin nappy. Pin CC Lane 876 on this minute, please. That's my face. That's my YouTube, and my Instagram, guys. It's also a good medium, because if the whole world, according to Beanie Man, 5 million people, 500,000 people are watching the live over there, clearly we can have a grand time over Instagram as well. Instagram is CEE_Lane. Okay, and you guys remember to share the video, because I had more than enough people over here just now. So just go and share the video. Want the thing for up. Coming on why Facebook I have a problem with a black person having a lot of people viewing. It's crazy. And as I said, it doesn't make sense, because you blocked me in the States, but yet still me just brawling everywhere else. Aruba, St. Lucia, Antigua, Guyana, me there England, me there Africa, me there everywhere. Look what everywhere except which part I actually there. Never seen that go say it? Have you ever seen anything like this? Alright guys, so listen, I read, but how is it gonna work? Because they weren't even here. I was reading some stories, and the stories them just so nice with the song and everything. Boy, Mr. Zuckerberg, me not like it. If I want my Facebook account, you can't take it, because you make no sense. I put my disclaimer, and you're still being an AS. Oh Lord. Anyway, let me calm. Let me drink some water. I'm really upset, but. Then Racy says, give me this one white somebody there, so I played the whole I sang. I'm getting glass of wine and start just to drink. But anyway. Alright, so for the sake of, my loyal US following, I was not, you weren't able, because, you guys say you weren't able to read our comment or watch the video. So I was going through a few messages that I received when I asked you guys to reach out to me, with some stories. And me need something stronger. If me get something stronger, then block me off of this. So anyway, you know, this one I found very, very hilarious. So if you missed it, this one is with this one is with a guy called Garfield. You know, how I got the voice note was, please read this on your show, CC. I need a huge favor from you. So this is a must read. Guys, I need to read this story again. Somebody want me to read the last story, but I want to start from Garfield. You know, I really, really want to start from Garfield. You know, the first one, I think the last one I read was oh no, the last one I read was New Love. But guys, we soon go back at New Love because we have a whole lot of things to discuss about New Love. Guys, if you're not following me on YouTube, now would be the best time to do so. It's CC Lane 876. And if you're not, well, not right now, no. I mean, after the show. And Instagram is CEE_Lane. Listen, me I go over Garfield. So if you don't want to hear Garfield, just put on your phone and go drink some water and go pee and come back. Alright? So listen. New Love really nice tune, but remember a lot of people on the show weren't singing. So we're just gonna do new phone. We're just gonna do Garfield and we're gonna start back at the next one, 3C. Alright. Let me use his middle name. His middle name is Garfield. Yes, please call his name. Let's continue. Garfield is my boyfriend. We come from St. Thomas, you know, that's my parish, and we have been together for 4 years. He loves your show, and he's a loyal supporter. Thank you so much, Garfield. He always says that you all went to the same high school. He graduated a year later, and he never went to sixth form, but saw you again in college. I am pretty sure he'll be watching your live. Opportunity comes but once. I can't recall this Garfield. I know one Garfield, but I won't go up on him because I'm disappointed in him. Anyway, when the call center in St. Catherine, where he worked, got infected with the outbreak of COVID-19, he was amongst them. He called me to inform me that he will not be coming home. He doesn't want to infect anyone there since he tested positive. They advised him not to. He will quarantine with a friend who also tested positive, in Portmore, Bridgeport to be exact. It was a strange request, but we live with my grandmother and understood how dangerous it could have been for her. I quarantined myself as well. We encourage each other to be strong and discuss symptoms we had on a daily basis. After 14 days of quarantine, I'm going to show no Garfield wicked. After 14 days of quarantining, he called and he said he will stay an extra week because they ran out of testing. Okay, but you know, it's better to be safe than to be sorry. You know, this is how, you know, good he's thinking about how, you know, how gracious and you know, thoughtful Garfield is. Anyways, let's get into the story. I was jumping the gun. This world is truly small, and it's true. The world is very small. I ran into a friend of mine in Lyson, St. Thomas, where I was visiting his mother. She also works in the call center. As we were walking, she said, "I never knew you moved to Portmore." I looked at her strange. "What you mean?" She said she saw Garfield helping me carry the bags to the car. We looked so in love, very affectionate. Boy, you must feel lucky. I played along. You know, sometimes you know, say man I take a feed. In a year, say man I take a feed. If it was going like, you understand? I don't get the whole gist. But anyway, I played along, but I had no clue why I needed to feel lucky. Garfield was the one who tested negative for COVID-19. I was distraught, hurt beyond belief. Please tell this dirty boy Garfield to stop calling my phone and threatening me. I gave his mother a garbage bag of his things. The rest was sold accidentally or destroyed. There is a restraining order. Do not come back to my house. You will be arrested. So Garfield, at the second time I read this on the show, so you must get the message. You must get the message. Fiona said, Garfield, damn side gal. Tian, you just, oh, so Tian just a command. I'm saying couldn't say. Tian, I'm sorry about that, you know. Dirty Facebook blocked me earlier. No, excuse my language, but I don't know some head at me nice. I'm a professional, but I know some I have the Jamaican dirty side to me when I'm ready. Yeah, dirty Facebook blocked me earlier. Crazy. So welcome my US followers. So guys, you know, that is Garfield, and you know, we played some song and everything, and the live was going so nice. But you know, clearly we're not able to continue, you know, on that wavelength. Thank you guys for the comments, for the makeup. I actually did it myself. It took me like 45 minutes. You know, my friend thought, my executive producer, not a friend again. She thought it would have taken me 2 hours. It took me like 45 minutes. You know what I mean? So yeah, thanks for the compliments and all these things. And I mean, dress myself. Yeah, my husband give me that shirt. Yeah, I'm buy my shot of Charlotte Roos. You know, if it must be $6 one long time when Charlotte Roos said, look here. Instagram I done something for start back Instagram. Look here, so one time I done over here, so Instagram on the whole I want to come back, because if I don't come back, it's gonna be problem. Know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. Alright. Rashan want to tell about your mother used to come off of my life. Somebody block that boy after me now. Sure. Anyways, so after that, you know, we read Side Chick. And, you know, trust me, US people, if you guys were only here, and I can only tell you, I can't play it again because they're going to block us. But anyway, Instagram is, oh, so they're reconnecting? They reconnect? Hold on, the people. You have to understand, say, I have an executive producer, but what is wrong with these men, eh? Jesus Christ. I want to read another message, but I want to Instagram is, what is Instagram doing?
Oh, you know.
Just show me. No, the video stopped because I know so they only go for a certain time. Alright, so I don't know what Instagram is doing. So if you have any friend that's over Instagram watching me, tell what kind of cross is up this for me tonight, eh? Alright, so Instagram is doing so. Tell the phone and look what Instagram I do for me now, please, before me take that and fling it away. Anyway, so Instagram is acting up now. You know, I'm trying to, you know that the video only goes for a certain amount of time, and I want to restart. You press pause. It's asking for a title. Do we have to put a title? Why don't you just go on my story? Give me. Guys, bear with me for a little. I don't know what say, you know, we're just trying to have everybody involved, because you have some people that don't have they don't have Facebook. So, you know, just let's be nice. Let's be nice. We don't want to come off of the live. Let's go and share the live. Alright, so when this is done, okay, so video is processing. So let's start again live on Instagram. Come, I don't know why everybody up in America you want to come test my faith in the night, yeah. Alright, so let's go now. So this should run me until the end of the show. Alright, so if you're just joining in again, you know, I had read this one already, but let's just go back over it. This one is entitled Side Chick. He said, hey Cece. Alright, so producer said let's go to 3C, because we were at 3C when this thing broke down. When Facebook broke down Panway, you know, this is the 3C is when the internet broke down. Where's 3C? Okay. So she entitled, you know, I entitled it New Love. What's up, Cece? I am a pretty active person, very athletic. Love anything about health and fitness. I live in an apartment complex. Honestly, staying home is rough. I miss the outdoors. I feel your pain. I started exercising around and in my building, and that's when I met 3C. We have been running into each other. He is tall and have a great smile. He comes off shy, even though he agrees to work out with me at least once a week. He hasn't asked me for my number yet. We have had some meaningful conversations. We share health tips. I am not going to rush him, and I like him. I am just curious as to why he hasn't asked me for my number yet. And you know, me that's some woman I really am it, but you know, let's what are your take on this one? Because you know they're running up and down like, you know, as we say, cockroach running back a cockroach, or fall running on cockroach, you know, them exercise. Why hasn't 3C asked this lady for her number? I don't know what she looks like, and we cannot base everything on looks, because we know say some girl with pretty face and bad character, you understand me? So we really to know, we need to get to know take on this. All of the players them, I want to think, why do you guys think 3C, Danica said 3C let's like I said 3C is shy. Anybody else believes that 3C is shy? Because me soon telling you what me think about 3C. CEECEE_lane. That's my name on Instagram. Anybody still think 3C is shy? Lord of mercy, somebody says it's a fish. What is a fish? I'm just gonna play like I don't know what a fish is. 3C is taking it slowly. In a days and times I might take it slow. How slow you want? Go not go slow down. COVID I go fast and it go slow. It's an oxymoron, but if you understand what I say, it's going fast and it's making things going slow. He doesn't want more than an exercising partner. Oh God. Lord God, he has no interest. It's just really sad. Nope, him not shy. He doesn't like her and that's it. And he doesn't like her and that and like that. He not like she. Oh God, maybe he's gay. Me can't bother, you know, seriously. No, so I can't read Aisha Richardson. But I forgot skip over that one there. He's not interested. Simple. Anybody, what is Instagram? Won't be surprised if he is. Lord of mercy. Oh dear. Why if a man not interested he's a fish? I don't know. Somebody say he's married. No, sir, but I not believe say married. Am I married man nowadays? Come like when they married they feel single. He's not interested. He want the girlfriend to look him. He think him must be too cute. Lord of mercy. Because she did say he's tall and dark and that sounds like a chocolate bar. A week he has someone at home. Lord, a whole heap of opinions. Let me tell you my thing. You know, but then again, you know, it's opinionated. It's all opinionated. You know, based on, you know, my interaction with men. Now, you know, my best friend is a guy. Honestly, if a girl look nice, and, you know, you have a certain level of comfort with her, come on, man. It doesn't have to wait for her for the next evening for exercise. You see, this evening the exercise on the next 24 hours. You know, but something can't happen in 24 hours. You can't lose a hand. You can't lose a foot. You can't lose so many things in 24 hours. You understand me? So why would I want to wait until next 24 hours to see somebody that I'm very interested in? You understand me? So something really, really fishy here. Something is fishy. And clearly he's not, well, listen, I say fishy, not, no pun intended. No pun intended. No pun whatsoever. I don't want nobody to think I'm saying fishy to be fishy. Fishy is just fishy. Let me use the next adjective. Something is not right. Something is not right here. I don't know why 3C hasn't asked this young lady for her number. Because I'm saying, you know, as I'm saying, it should not always be about the physical appearance. Because you have Shabba Singh Bow to know. You understand? No about we. Shabba Singh Bow, no pretty face and bad character. And then they kind of live in they can't hold nobody. Who sing it? Pliers. Look here, no, I don't know people. We can't even sing the song. But I see somebody put all dog lightweight on the live last night. I saw something when I sing out of me, just say, only God could take myself music for cut off for me when I sing a problem on the road. But anyway, things take time, the man not running down anything. But clearly the man up and down for exercise. And the man up and down run the building, so clearly, you know, have a problem with running. Things takes time, the man not running down anything. But guys, come on, a phone number? Seriously, you don't want to text her and say, sweetie, are you home safe? Or text her and say, you know, what time you go exercise today? I want to know so that they decide for 5 o'clock. You know, you want to say, you know, sweetie, what time are we going to get? Yeah, look at flirting, look at texting. I mean, who doesn't text nowadays? You stand a better chance if you text me than to call me. I'll see you calling and I really want that. But, you know, let's leave that. I'm not a talker. I'm a texter. You understand me? Somebody said murder. Don't check if she alright for me. Probably village lion. And probably village lion in the community pull up. No, sir. What if I lie? She had tell. Look here now, not his type of girl. See, that ear is so nice on you. Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you. You know, we have to stop and praise the queen. A joke. Oh, God. All right, so he don't need no number when he knows where she lives, and this at the same time, not like them a buck up on road. All right, this is my take. So I'm saying, you know, we have to listen. We can't just always jump the gun. We have to assess situations. So it all boils down to me personally. He's not interested. That's what I'm gonna say. Because nowadays the first meet you meet somebody, the first thing you ask him for a number. Sometimes I try to remember what guys used to ask for before a phone came in. Because clearly I just got in. I don't know, you meet a guy and married me, so we'll probably know Spring Guard. I just try. But anyway, one of the first things you ask for is a number. You know, you have a conversation, you know, you talk, and before you depart, may I have your number? Or some people ask, you know, to follow you on Instagram. I think the stalkers do that, you know. But anyway, you know, you'll ask somebody will ask you for the number. So, you know, if this guy here and this guy run up and down every day like two goat in a pen, and him not ask you for the number, well, good, him just gotta tell us straight up. You know, it might hurt you, and I will for time, you know, with feelings hurt. But to me, not interested. I just want somebody to run up and down with him sound like a big kid. So like a big kid going to a fair. You understand me? No want a fear. Him is a big kid going to a fair. You understand me? No want you. Somebody else want, you know, about stress yourself, you know, a whole heap of fish in the sea. A whole heap of chicken in the pen. A whole heap of cock in the pen. Whole heap of something. Whole heap of man out there. Because I'm going to say fish, you're not going to think of the wrong something. You understand me? Yeah, he doesn't want you. So, you know, he's not interested. And if I were you, just make him stop block traffic. He alone going up and down. The next thing you're in your nice tights and somebody from 3M or 3B see you, or 2B, whatever floor, how much floor the apartment have, and, you know, might see you and want you. Remember, they haven't started to run yet. What do you mean they're not run yet? What do you mean? He's interested, but he's broke. Good, eh? Carry out the broke man then. I don't know who enough like the broke man then. Maybe yourself, yeah? By the way, Alright, so guys, I got a voice note I got 2 voice notes, my producers. What must I say extra every time I say producer, but I go so extra. What you say? Oh, no, not member of the team. I say executive producer. Sure. But anyway, I receive, you know, I have a big up to England. I have to big up England. Seriously, I have so many people over there in the UK following me. It's crazy. And you know, when I put out my announcement that I'm going to go live 8 o'clock, you know, a lot of people message me directly whoever have me on WhatsApp and I'm sure the answer, but anyway, yeah, so you know, I have a lot of followers all over the place, so I need you guys. I really love you, and I know it's like 2 o'clock over there, so how much o'clock? 3 o'clock. I really appreciate England watching me. So I received some voice notes from England, so I'm gonna play one right now. You guys listen to it.
You see, I really love your videos. Please continue to put up the good work. So finally, I introduced my Jamaican boyfriend that I have been dating for the past 3 months to my family. After my mum found out that he was Jamaican, she was against him.
No listening, huh?
As a matter of fact, most of the women that I know have dated Jamaican men,
in front of the camera,
and they warn me to be cautious. So now I'm starting to get a little bit doubtful because of all the negative comments and stories. I just want to know, why is there such negativity surrounding dating Jamaican men?
May I sit with you? No answer that one, yeah. Maybe let's go sit with you on that one. What do you think? Somebody said it's 3 o'clock over the Lord call and boy, I wish we could have paid if you're still gonna watch me. Yes, our accent nicey. Somebody said audio low. Can we play it one more time? Talia, can you please close the door, sweetheart? Let me play it one more time. Did you guys hear it? I'm gonna play it one more time.
I really love your videos. Please continue to put up the good work.
People, technical malfunction.
Finally, I introduced my Jamaican boyfriend that I have been dating for the past 3 months to my family. After my mum found out that he was Jamaican, she was against him. As a matter of fact, most of the women that I know have dated Jamaican men, and they warn me to be cautious. So now I'm starting to get a little bit doubtful because of all the negative comments and stories. I just want to know, why is there such negativity surrounding dating Jamaican men?
Just I roll me my eyelash and touch me for it for that one. You want to answer? What? Let me try to do it in the British accent. I don't think it can't work. Can't hear it slow? Give me the speaker in a second. It can't plug out? Alright, people, only for people not hear the audio. So I'm going to take the speaker and put it on her face. And you can't tell me, so no, it's a speaker if it says play it again. You feel like I exercise, play.
You see, I really love your videos. Please continue to put up the good work.
Man. Sure.
So, finally, I introduced my Jamaican boyfriend that I have been dating for the past 3 months to my family. After my mum found out that he was Jamaican, she was against him. As a matter of fact, most of the women that I know have dated Jamaican men, and they warn me to be cautious. So now I'm starting to get a little bit doubtful because of all the negative comments and stories. I just want to know, why is there such negativity surrounding dating Jamaican men?
Somebody said because them are the ladies man on earth. Me done with Rachel. Look how I pull up my type. Look here now, child. No, sir. Seriously. I want to answer that. Me not have nothing to say. That's the truth. I want me married to me. Not have nothing to say. Don't talk up. Don't talk. What? Lord, me don't want to catch a girl accent now. Why is there so much negative? Lord, let me stick to it. Stick to the evil, you know. Why is there so much negativity surrounding dating Jamaican men? Producer my blows pull. This is going to work, you know. Maybe me not need to see. So somebody say I fraud them. Look here now, you have some good Jamaican men. Of course. I totally agree with that. Some are not honest, liars, cheaters, and cannot be trusted. Lord have mercy. Remember me have a son and me have to raise, you know, so I don't know say. What? Run sis, all of them are cross. Somebody say run sis, all of them are crosses. Jamaican men don't lazy. So, me know Jamaican men are really they're not lazy. They are listen to all of them because some of them are lazy bad. We know this is something that we're not lost. Somebody said because I'm a scammer. This is something that we canannot generalize. You know, there are different perceptions around the species, you know. Lord God, somebody said my dog, Lisa, what them do? I can't deal with this. I can't. I really, really, really can't. I'm getting some more voice notes, but someone just the last minute, I want to strangle some of you. Anyway, you have some good one and some bad one. There are opportunists. British Demetrius said British women can't be trusted. More? You have more
Number one, somebody was sending to me for response.
So I got a response. Let me hear what this response says. Because you guys can send in a message.
Jamaican men are. I think Jamaican men are.
All men are black.
The counterpart to the African. The only difference with the African is they will marry 2 or 3, but Jamaican man no marry 2 or 3 women, but they have them in a bungle, all the same way. And wherein some African men will take responsibility to maintain their family, Jamaican men don't. Because they don't have the amount of girl based on their finance, but them have girl more than their finance. And most times, they want to drop their little seed here and there without no intention of taking care. Jamaican men are not romantic. The only time they say one little word is when they want to get to you. And as soon as they get to you, they not even compliment you after they say thanks. They're self-centered. All they want is them. So,
oh, Lord.
But then I must be cautious. It's not all Jamaican men. You have good, loving, faithful, hard-working Jamaican men who will give their very life for their family. But cheating and double standard is part of the DNA of Jamaican man, may I tell you. They will love you to death, but girl, you're going to get some bun outside. The only difference is they will give you the little cheese.
Well, the guys make me sure. No, sir, so that was a response that I got a while ago. And clearly it's, listen, everybody's, people are commenting and people are saying every culture has their dogs or their demons, and it's true. But what I realized though, and I don't know, which other race is watching this live, but there's a thing, I don't know why the woman just love Jamaican men. So, there's a love for the men, there's a love for Jamaican men. I don't know if it's the seed that caller said, they love to plant everywhere. And clearly, when you plant seeds, something comes after the seed. There's a fruit or there's a flowers or whatever comes up after the seed is planted. I don't know if it's that, she said they're not romantic, which I've heard women complaining, saying that Jamaican men are not romantic, for them kind of romantic, yo, baby, come here now, baby, look now, no little love, I don't know. But what is your take, though? Lord God, clothes are pure, I never tell upon Jamaican men. My executive producer, what buy them around here, so Demo said it's the good SEX. They're ambitious. What else? What do you guys have to say about Jamaican men? Because no matter how much me hear say Jamaican men a dog, them alone me say I have only pa girl and girl in a bungle. Me not say the next man have only pa girl in a bungle like Skellen. That is Jamaican man them. Why? I don't understand, They love bad boy, they love the attitude that comes with it. White woman love the long Cam say white woman love the long seed because them get it properly. Jamaican men take care of their women. I guess that's true. Well, I can vouch for mine. Those attitudes are global for the individuals to find their match. Garfield make it fair if you convince nobody. No Garfield down here. Alright guys, so you know, as a Jamaican living in the States for quite a few years, and I've always heard it, because when you're there at Jamaica, you're not going to really hear a Jamaican man a dog. You know, we don't speak of Jamaican men in Jamaica like that. You know, when you come out up on the road, you hear a Jamaican man this, and I would love to date a Jamaican man, but they're this, they're opportunists, you know, but the bed part of it is good and blah blah blah. Guys, you know, we cannot generalize, because as you know, as the caller, you know, as the person said earlier, the Africans, you know how they go. You know, they're what's their culture? You know, they're polygamists, where they have 5, 6, 7 wives, and you know, I don't know which is worse. Knowing that your wife, you know, you mated them in the house with you, or you know, they mated them out already. I don't know which is better, but you know, it's just really something. I think it's, you know, it's a cultural thing. It's not a specific race thing, you know. It's just people, it's just human beings, it's just in their nature. Because I'm pretty sure you can find Jamaican men who have never cheated. I joke, maybe, but I think that's possible. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that there are some really, really, really good men out there. You know, we have to give those credits. There are good men out there. And you know, call it the voice note also said that, you know, people, somebody said it's the accent. Belinda love the accent. You know, people love our accent. So who knows? Maybe it's the accent too. When me angry, me not have I twist my mouth to speak properly to get my point across. That's why you love Jamaican men. I'm done, Nardia. I'm done. I swear. You know, but I don't know, you know, at the end of the day, you know, they're dogs and they're this and they're that. But, you know, we have some really good men in Jamaica. A lot of them, I can say, they've gotten some jackets and they've been taking care of the jackets, you know, for all of the season, winter, spring, or summer, till they find out enough for them the jacket. But a lot of Jamaican men do take care of their children. A lot of them don't. You understand me? But at the end of the day, you know, we have to give credit where credit is due, and you have some good one out there. Lord, Rose, man, take away your man. Rose, man is very romantic. Rose, don't give your address. Try to see if you can keep yourself discreet, because to them, woman, you want a Jamaican man. They must have put up a 2 and them up in the ear for. Left that mango lady. Listen. 2 more voice notes. Alright, so I have my producer saying that we have 2 more letters, but let me just finish off what I was saying about Jamaican men. Yes, there are some good Jamaican men, you know. You know, I've been blessed with one, you know, he's the father of my 3 children, and you know, compared to others, you know, my best friend can tell you, you know, he's an angel, and I hope he's not watching, you know, because you don't really want him to hear these things. Yes, you know, some things that I hear that, you know, some men, you know, do to women, you know, seriously, you know, it's really, really sad. But there are good men out there, and I can't say that I've seen opportunists. A lot of them are opportunists, especially when they come to the States or UK or wherever they go, you know, and they want, you know, what it is that they want, and as soon as they get it, you know, then just dash out. But you know, those people, you leave them, and you leave them to God. But you don't sit down and say you're not gonna date a Jamaican man because of what you've heard. You know, you look at people, you assess them, you assess, you evaluate, and then you make your move. You know, you will know if this man is good for you. My experience with a Jamaican man will be completely different from yours with a Jamaican man. You understand me? So we cannot just judge the book by the cover. We cannot just say Jamaican men this and Jamaican men that. You understand me? We have to big up to some of them, because as I said, you have some very great ones, and thank God for mine. Alright? So if you have a good man out there, just big him up. You can just show the name on the live. Who knows? I might you want somebody else to big him up. Hey, you know, wifey and side chick link up. We never know. You know, a whole heap of things are very world is very, very small. So just show up your man name if you have a good man, and you never know. But anyways, let's go to another letter. I think I have 2 more. Is it 2 more or 1 more? I think I have 1 more now.
One voice.
Oh, so I see some voice notes coming in, guys, but I can't take up the phone and listen to everything, okay? Because someone too last minute. Someone wants some good liquid a piece of 2 before. But anyway, so this last one is titled "In Love." She said, and this is from our little territory. Chasing that American dream, my husband and I moved to the States trying to accomplish the goal. We have become so busy we hardly see each other, yet alone spend quality time. He works days and I work nights, and any overtime we can get, we take. You know, hard times and blah, blah, blah. We always joke about being celibate in our marriage. Woo! But then came COVID-19. Despite him being laid off, it brought back our teenage years in love and fearless. Lord, me see some fire in this. Me see some fire come. People, look here now. I don't know the story I ended up, but I want to see some fire emoji. And if I not see the fire emoji, I not read no more. But not, I need some fire emoji, because the story has sound hot. Tracy, if you want the emoji, you have to go start setting up some fire emoji. Or you can do fire upon this. You can do fire upon the comment. Thompson, I don't want a friend.
Water.
Sure. Give me some gun. Give me some water gun. What the fire then there? Well, me I get some art. I figure. I guess. Woo! Kayonce gave me a lot of love. Kayonce, me like your name, goodie. I Beyonce, your parents, me want to call you. Well, it don't really matter. Your name nice and unique. So close to my name. Owen Hamilton. I owe that. I wish page my comment. Let me get holy puff. Alright, no man in the bun me down. Woo! Good fire! Fire! God, National Water Commission. I would the water place over your name. People, me don't know candidates, but me don't even know the water place. How the water place name over foreigner? No site bad. But anyway, despite him being laid off, it brought back our teenage years in love and fearless. Woo, me like them adjectives there. Woo! Simply put, we made up for lost time. You cannot. So imagine how much makeup they make up. We made up for lost time. May I lose myself. We made up for lost time. Everywhere, anytime. Then we felt curious, a little too curious, influenced by porn curiosity. Anyway. Over 30, watching or trying porn is a risk. But we wanted to spice it up. Lord God, too much spice to go and make your nose run. Hubby ordered a sex swing and candles for that at the case. He decorated our bedroom. People now listen to the story. Also decorated the bedroom with candles and with candles and swings. He decorated our bedroom, candles everywhere. I was so surprised and excited. I didn't think about its durability, if he put it up correctly, or fire safety. I was ready. Let's go. At first, everything was fine. Everything is always fine in the beginning. At first, it was fine. We copied each other's move and position of the sheet and the video. There was one position that required both of us to be on the swing at the same time. For 10 seconds, it was a dream. For 10 seconds, it was a dream floating on the air. All I remember was a loud snap sound. Me grabbing onto anything that would ease the fall. As I was falling, I grabbed onto one of the wall shelves where the candles were lit. Where the lit candles were. A candle fell on my breast, Lord God, and a candle fell on my breast and my wig. My flammable synthetic wig. This man screaming in pain and a night of passion coming to an end. Lord God, it's all like a night of what the P word more I use? Well, torture and a P word. It's been a few days, but we are taking care of each other. Well, that's nice. I ice and massage his waist, back and groin area. He iced my 3rd degree burns. Lord God, good year, bun up. Safe to say, COVID-19 saved my marriage. We will always have this memory and evidence to prove it. At the second mix up. No, sir, people, my week. My week, when I go and laugh them, so that about this, gonna talk to me, man, sure. Because sometimes I will listen to me. This is what I hear all the time. Lord God, me bored in the relationship. I want to try something new. This is someone going to try to on a date. Because this lady could have burned on our house. I have 2 casualties tonight. You understand me? Sounds like the sex was free. A week. When I look at the people at the store, what I get, you know? Because I'm so creative. Sit down and write out, the people I'm sending in the store. And I have more, I think. These are the ones that I took, though, because there was a lot. And, you know, I was watching time and everything. You know, I didn't want to go over how and I have. But clearly, I've gone over that. Clearly, I've gone over that. But seriously, me never ready for that ending. Me never ready yet either. You know, so I can just imagine, you know, what kind of ceiling they have. A ceiling that this I could go back into the store. Where do some comprehension, you know?
Sex would not come with ceiling.
Oh, wait, come with.
Ceiling actually have its own covering. It's like,
see, I mean,
like a tent.
Me don't even know about sex swing. Me see them here say it's not up in a ceiling, it go. Me don't know which part sex swing go.
Ceiling, I have the one that has a tent, so it depends on which one.
Well, my producer say you have one where I tent me, I forgot other one because no more want look like the excitement. You understand? Me can't say freak shit with that one heap of lips. Marriage until death do one part. Let them be creative and create memories. Look most of our ashes they create. Eh? Sex. No, sir. Seriously, I wasn't ready for that one. I wasn't ready for that one. But as I was saying earlier, a lot of you guys, it's in a relationships, want spice night, that was literal spice. That was spice at its best. You can come up with creative ways, but I don't know, if you're going to try certain things and, fires are running, you have to understand, you have to be careful because, I can just imagine how the ambulance come for them. Whoever coming at the ambulance supposed to laugh and when they say, is this real? You can't go to the hospital now, you might catch the COVID. Okay, so Deborah said you cannot go to the hospital now. So you have to be careful in the homes. You understand me? I don't want the excitement. I don't want spin up. Like when I come from out of the geometry set, like the compass and the geometry set. But you have to be careful. You understand me? You have to be careful. Yes, man, you have to be careful. Like, you understand me? Like, that could have been serious, and I cannot emphasize how serious that thing could have been. We could have had 2 casualties. All right, so I have another voice note to play. Let's listen to this voice note. This is the last one. Oh, give me. Another voice note.
Alright, so hey CC, what's up? So in response to your relationship advice or post that you're doing, I have a little situation that I want to run by you. So I met this girl, amazing girl, beautiful girl. We've been going for a little while. Relationship was great and everything. I really see my future with her. I really see like we could go the distance. She had the strong morals and everything, so she was pretty grounded. Had her in her body, smart girl. So we're doing our thing and everything, coming down. So towards the end of 2019, she went to church, no problem. And, after that experience, she came back and she said, like, baby, I want to get closer to the Lord. I really do. I feel like something is missing from my life and everything. So, I'd like you to come on the journey with me, but personally, I wasn't there. So but I supported her. I was, all right, if this is what you feel like you need to do, I understand it and all of that. Great. So shortly thereafter, she was doing the church thing and everything. But then, from time to time, we'd have sex. She'd come over, we'd have sex and everything. It would be great sex, like we have fun with the thing. But then she'd leave. And I would get these crazy message about how guilty she feels and that she don't want to do this anymore. And all that kind of stuff. So I'm like, yo, if that's what you need to do, I get it. Do you? And so I'm taking my feelings outside of the situation entirely.
I like you.
I'm just like I'm being supportive. It's probably gonna cost me my relationship, but I'm not gonna stand in between her and her journey. So I'm like, all right, cool. But then a few days would pass. She'll message me. She wants to come over. She wants to see me. She comes over. We have sex. And she leaves. And she messages. And she calls. And she texts. And she says, I can't do this anymore. I need to give my life to the Lord. And you're not helping. So it got to a point where I was even being blamed for not supporting her on her journey, or it's my fault why she keeps backsliding and all of that. We keep doing this. Now, the last time we had sex, she messaged me. I haven't replied. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start because at this point it's now taking an emotional toll on me because while I'm sacrificing for this relationship or to support, you know, my feelings are like a yo-yo. She leaves and she comes back, and she leaves and she comes back, and she leaves and she comes back. Not taking into account how this affects me.
All right, people. Me hear someone I say too long. Me see somebody say I in the church they run go because they want the man to run back at them. That's what the something I saying fool clear the woman want a commitment from him. Go along at church with the woman and stop mess her up. I can't do this anymore. Oh, behave yourself. That Come on, guys. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on this? What are your thoughts? Read between the line. No common sense. If him say future, why not? By the time him done tell the story, I don't remember what the story about. Look here now. You see someone say, no Jamaicans, I mean, no, say, no phone attack on our Jamaicans. You don't like to listen. It's your problem. And if you don't listen, you cannot learn. You can take something from this story. Because this is this is somebody that voice noted me, but I've seen this before. Like Orient said earlier from woman born them confused. I will not agree with him. We at some point in time we inherit this confusion, but it was not inherited from birth. You understand me? But you have to understand that this is a common thing. This is a common story. It's a common norm now for women, to be playing around with men, wanting the damn ring. Being afraid to ask because I don't know why women feel like they can't propose to men. Me not gonna do it, so nobody. If you want to do it, that's your business. Me, I feel that way too. But anyway, they want the commitment and they're afraid to say it. So, they're in the church and say, no phone out roly-poly Christians and they say, me not bash nobody, but enough of roly-poly because all of that, we can't find on Saturday and Sunday. But come Monday, come Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, vagabond. Una vagabond, you understand me? Una have a local man on the side, una married and I do everything. Yes, Chris said it's very common, you understand me? Una do everything, but when Saturday una Adventist come, una holy like the goalpost, like the net on the goalpost, and come so una still holy for una Catholic, whatever, una name it, Pentecost or whatever. You understand me? And it's just something common, and you confuse the men. You confuse them, and we have to understand that men have feelings too. Yes, they do. They don't act that way. But you understand me? Earlier the British was asking, why is there such a bad perception surrounding Jamaican men? And now I'll have to say this sound like a good up man. He just doesn't want to step into the church right now. And ladies, we must understand. And I can't about to talk about poor us Christian, because if I should screenshot some of the things that you message me, you see, then write you at church right now. But anyway. Listen to me. Listen, you understand me? This sounds like a good man. Ladies, we have to stop confusing the men. You understand me? And do not go into the church, go tell the pastor, say you have one brother outside where you want, him you want married to. Next thing you find pastor come like Jehovah Witness and the people in yard gate want him to come at church. He might feel a peep through and them. I don't no offense to the Jehovah Witness because my best friend is a Jehovah Witness, but I practice Jehovah Witness principles. But anyway, seriously, do not go into the church. Go tell the pastor, say you have one man out there. So you understand me? Find a man in the church. If the brother them in the church not at, find one next church. I will put at brother there at church. You have at church with at brothers, you understand me? So if you go to church, we go look somebody. Oh, you put your hand for. If you go to church, we go look somebody and it's not Jesus, you don't see that person there. You just go one next church. Because when I step in the church, I don't want the man to come in the church because if they're not ready, they will not come. You understand me? They will not come if they're not ready. You understand me? So you cannot force them. And a lot of you think that, being married is the ultimate. It is the ultimate goal. But when they say if you have to force it too hard, it might be shit. Excuse my French. And it's true. Have you ever had to force a fart? Seriously. Let's get real. Have you ever had to force a fart? It might come out as poop. So you don't want to force these things, because when you force the relationship, it becomes a problem for you. You understand me? So you don't take the time to court. You don't really know who this guy is. You just know that you're in the church and you want to have little sex. So the best way to have sex is to get married. No, it doesn't work like that. The battery are dead. It doesn't work. No, man, it good at iPhone. It's 20%. It doesn't work like that. You understand me? You have to ensure that, The foundation is set, and this is what the guy wants. Unequal yokes. That's exactly what it is. Make sure that this is what the guy wants. Listen to me now. A lot of them will follow you to the church, and they will get baptized, and they will get wet that day. And them baptism go on everything. I don't go back, so I'm going to ask you, so why you can't go to church, go get him baptized. You understand me? And then you're going to jump up and say, oh, I didn't know it was a beta, I didn't know it was a beta. Listen to me. Listen to me. You can't force the donkey to God the water, but you cannot force him to drink. So you can force him to go to church, but you can't force him to be a Christian. And until we understand that, then we will continue to do certain things. You understand me? Some people, they're so good before the marriage, and as soon as they get married, it just come like them a slide off one piece of banana skin down one hill. It's just craziness, just going down craziness. Everything is just going haywire. Understand, if he wants you, he will do it. If he doesn't want you, he might do it too. But understand that, when you get into it, it won't be that perfect marriage. All right. Okay, so the show is soon done. So I just explain all of this to you. So if any Christians, if any roly-poly there, so watch me. Come on, say you have the good, firm Christians, them where, them in them church, and nothing can really stray them, maybe they go buy cash back 1 and 2 times. You understand me? But anyway, we don't say all of the fault, because the fun are roly-poly all. But no, we don't have to say nothing. We all, the fun are come going to righteous more than Jesus on the cross, and you are not. We sin. You understand me? Someone nobody come to me, CC got church, and CC not shot is my shots and is my legs, and I want to show them. Anyways, yes, stop bringing the men into church. As about no man on the stage or two. No for no elderly brethren in the church. I'm not call nobody name. Nobody take it personally. I have a lot of elderly men in the church. They want the young girl and they invite them to church. And they say, oh, them neighbor, friend, and then this and then that. And before you know, they want murder and something. You need to stop it. You have to teach people about the word before you try to get them to become a Christian. Enough of these people don't even understand what Christianity is. They don't even understand what your denomination is. Understand me? If you're going to bring somebody who is a Jehovah's Witness, we know how we're not going to take offense. Make the person who say you're going to walk up and down every day and you're going to knock on people's door. Mercy for the one. Me no disrespect. But let the people know what them getting into. If it's a Jehovah's Witness church, you're going to make good say good chances are Monday to this we're going to choose 3 days of the week where we have got to knock on the people in the neighborhood door and they might not answer. You might see one curtain move. You might see one curtain move. Go over your face. Listen, you might see a curtain move. It means that somebody inside, but it doesn't necessarily mean that the person wants to talk to you. And listen, I'm not disrespecting anybody in the denomination, because Adventists have the time when they walk up and I'm going to hand out things to people. And everybody want things. You understand me? But I'm just saying you have to let people know what they're getting into. So, you're bringing this man into the church. Make him know, say, sweetie pie. When you become a Christian, we're going to have to walk up and down in the neighborhood. And, we might knock on doors, but people might not answer. You might see curtain move. It's not a ghost. It's people also want to talk. And you have a little tracks in here and you watch tower and you're awake. People won't be so much awake when you try to give it to them. But, it is whatever. It's let people know what they're getting into. Stop sending mixed signals. Stop making them think they're going to heaven to sit in a nice chair. And they're just going to drink wine and do communion and, throw offering. I'm going to say often, like so long I'm not going to church. But it's more than that. As I say, if you're Adventist, no, so 1 and 2 times I'll come and I forgot the nursing home, go sing. Or when you can't sing like me, I forgot the nursing home, go sing. You're going to have to do things. You understand me? With great title come great responsibility. That's how it's something go. How is something great something? With great powers comes great responsibility. So you guys have to make people know what I'm getting to. So stop trying to step into the church and confuse the poor little man and say, listen, men are not so great readers of signals. I can tell you, they don't read signals well. You will catch up. Listen, you will be laying in your bed beside your husband, and you push out a big bump upon him, and then think you try to push him off the bed. When we know you're not trying to push him off the bed, what do you want? You understand me? Some men are not. You could be Tracy. You understand me? You could be a Tracy. Can't read straight. And can't read none at all. Some men don't read signals well, so do not go into the church. You got church Saturday or Sunday. You come out Monday, you have your intercourse. Wednesday, Thursday, you have intercourse. You go and send a text to the young man. Oh, I can't be doing this. I can't do it like Jesus now see you. You act like Jesus now see you. But anyway. And then Sunday, you all holy again. No. we have to take responsibility. We have to be accountable. You know, we must be held accountable for our actions. Because poor little young man, you know, I'm not saying born, but, you know, he had a serious reason. Lord of mercy. Liquid, big up yourself. You know, big up yourself, Liquid. So yes, you know, let people know that this is your agenda. This is your motive. You know, you need you to marry to me. Listen to me. If a man wants you and wants to keep you, he will marry you. You don't have to step into the church for him to come. You understand me? Because a lot of you don't understand is when you bring up this Christianity, the man run from him because, you know, it wasn't a part of this thing before. And as soon as they get married, they want to drag him to the church. No, set boundaries from outside. Let people know what they're getting into. If they want to be a part of it, they can be a part of it. If they don't want to be a part of it, let them go. You understand me? As I said, you can bring the horse to the water, but you can't force him to drink. And that's how a lot of you end up in miserable marriages and you wear the ring upon your finger and it's so heavy to drop down upon your hand, but you're miserable at home and it makes no sense. So just be careful. You understand, guys? Just be careful. And being a wife or being a husband, it's a great role, but until the thing is real and, you know, you feel like it's the right time, don't rush it. You understand me? Don't rush it. All right, so guys, I need to know if you enjoyed my live. I know you normally do. I was just call up my name so far. I know. Hi, says. Let me know if you enjoyed the live, which I really do expect. You know, I expect you to have enjoyed it. But, you know, give me some hearts and give me some something. And, you know, Master Pa, which way you got this hour? Which way you got this hours when the live done? Huh? Where are you going? Give me some hearts. Give me some fires. Give me some stuff. If you learned anything at all, you know, the live really never went the way I wanted it to run because, you know, the music, and I had the music for the right, you know, the music coming from the right story and everything. But, you know, it's whatever. You know, we're not stressing. We're really not stressing it. Yes, it was my first time and I did. I really do appreciate you guys. And if you haven't started, guys, please remember to follow me on Instagram. CEE_Lane. YouTube, it's CC Lane 876, and you know my CC is CEECEE. And Facebook, if you're here watching me, just go click the like and follow button, and you just go follow me over Instagram. Not WhatsApp. Nope, not WhatsApp. Snapchat, it's Mother of 3, MUVA of 3. So earlier, you know, I was telling you, as you know, you guys know that I work out and, you know, all of that. So, you would talk? No what sense that make miss? Alright, so I have my friend here. You know, earlier I said, you know, I was promoting her, like somebody said more stories. Alright, mom, I need to go sleep. I need to go eat my ice cream and sleep. So my friend who actually has, you know, who's the owner of Simply Fitness 365, you know, she actually made her way here. She always makes her way here. Anyway, she made her way here, and you know, she's, you know, I was telling you guys about the, you know, she has a line. It's 360 Simply Fitness 360. Big up your producer. Hey, Screechy, big up your producer. Max. Anyway, she's here, and you know, I'll be showing you the things, and you know, I guess she'll be, you know, giving us the details about them. As I said, I wear this one, and it keeps me straight, you know, for my exercises. So now we're gonna so this is one of them. Okay.
So, guys, good night. Simple Fitness came about because I wanted to lose a little pound, you know, few inches off the waist. But when I went online to go look for stuff, it was really expensive. Like, I feel like they were overcharging for no reason. Then I decided to go buy on Amazon. Show them that for me, please.
This one.
Use this 2 times and it mash up. I want you to show them the quality.
It's very flimsy. It's very thin.
Yes. Use it
it's
2
thin.
times and it's done. So I decided to research, and luckily I found a great vendor in China who he gave me heads up. He sent me videos teaching me about the various products. So my line is very inexpensive. So if you want to support Simply Fitness, it's www.simplyfitness365.com.
Sure, my big so my shirt full of
and it does help you. Take up the pink one.
Pink one, pink.
Yes, this one you wrap it around your waist.
So guys, remember we're on the topic of health and fitness and everything. And summer come up, and you know, if you want to look like me in your shorts, yeah, I forgot to start doing something here.
It helps you to lose a few inches off the waist. And then
This is the one that I used to work out, and it really, really helps. What next? What next piece of it?
yeah, it's there.
A lot. Me say, Texas, Lord God.
And eventually, as you start working out, you're going to realize that you're losing the inches, because we normally sweat, but this will make you sweat way more around the waist, right? Then I also have a lot of stuff online, and like I said, they're very inexpensive. They're of great quality, right? We have the shaper and posture corrector. We have the body shaper, the tummy trimmer, the figure sculpting, the full body shaper, the waist trainer, the sweat belt,
Well, I don't at all.
the everything that and like I said, you get 20% off. Oh, we have sizes. Some things are sold out because I'm selling like crazy. Some things are sold out, but I have size for everybody, and I have colors. And like I said, use the code CC Live, right? And you will get 20% once you spend. I think I'm just going to give you 20% off $20 or more, because my things are really inexpensive. And this waist trainer is actually the long one, so you can actually push it down in your pants, you know. So it's really good. Like, my products are really good, and I'd like you guys to go ahead and visit www.simplyfitness365.com, or you can also follow me on Instagram at simplyfitness365.com. And remember, one of the things I encourage people to do is also diet. You'll find out that I try to post Jamaican meals. You know, because don't forget, you know, like the American food. So I try to post Jamaican food that I know will help us to lose weight. So that's my take. Again, www.simplyfitness365.com.
I'll put it on my page, and if you use the code CC Live, that's your good girl here, CEECEE Live 365, you'll get 20% off, guys. It was really, really great. You know, so remember to go get your, if you're in this, Lord God, it can't. It look real good. It come like someone, some man will, and then I want to let you go. Woo! But anyway, it's really good. Lord have mercy, somebody buy it, you know. Father, take the case. Me can't come out of this. Jesus Christ. Alright, she said she will help me. This thing I grip me like, you know, when things grip things. But anyways, guys, before we go, you know, your girl is very multi-talented. You know, I wear many hats. Many hats, like, you know, the lady with her lazy husband. So if you don't know, now you know. And if you don't know, now you know. If you don't know, I wrote a book last year. It's just a 31 days inspirational. You know, I was going through a rough time, and, you know, like, what better way to encourage, you know, the fans? What better way? You know, like, that blue something around me. Well, on there. It's cute, but, well, let me come out of this. It's not the shirt? Yeah. Help me out. May I come down? Nobody going to work. I know someone not have patience. I'm going to come like some empty hospital. I come in away. Tuck your belly. So belly I can't tuck you no more. Alright. Alright, me can't come out like, listen, me just try to show you the grip of this thing I have, eh? This I just name good, I just name a good girl, them
No, she grip it in a tree different.
Mercy God.
We pull it out.
Alright, you don't want her thing pop up. Alright, anyway, this name the grip. You understand? This name vice grip. This grip you can't come out like, you understand? Because I sweat so like I work hard. But anyway, if you don't know, now you know. So it's a 31 days inspirational, and, you know, 31 days signifying, you know, days of the month. Even though we know some months have 30 days of September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 days clear. Anyways, so, you know, I wrote this book. It's on Amazon. It's exclusively being sold on Amazon. You know, just go, you know, you search for Race by Crystal Cornwall Lane, and it will pop up. And, you know, I see the sales coming in, and I really support it. But if you haven't gotten your copy of Race already, you know, I need you to get your copy. All of this is my work. You know, I'm not pretty done. You understand me? I actually wrote the book, so don't think it's anybody else's work. Today's what date? 23rd? 24. Alright, so, for example, let me read you a quote for day 24. You need to get your copy. And as I someone take no money, I buy lottery ticket and I buy credit for call, man. Get some inspiration and boost up on your immune system, on your brain. This time for the immune system. All right. So I'll read up. So today's date. So I have them like this. So day 24. Day 24. You understand me? Say if you miss a day, you just jump on. You just do what you have to do. You just catch up. But my title for day 24, it says, be honest with yourselves and others. And then it says, life without honesty is like living without oxygen. You must be honest with yourself, and it's necessary that you be honest with people around you. And that is so true. That's how we get to keep some of our friendships, some of our relationships, especially in a time like this, a lot of us are hungry and, you don't have any money for food to eat. You can't go to the pantry. I do it, me. Yes, you can go to the pantry. But, you have to be honest. Because, as I said, closed mouth, they don't get fed. And, if I don't know that you're hungry, like when me hungry, you can't tell, because all when me hungry, good look good, see, good will come up with our makeup and everything, good, you're dead for hungry, but you're not going to see no white skull. And that's how I say. But you have to say, you have to say. So you have to be honest with people, somebody hurt your feeling, let them know that you said something, my feelings are hurt. Sometimes it's not just good to just, cover up and walk away, express yourself. So honesty, like I've learned from primary school, honesty is the best policy. I wouldn't say it's the best, it's one of the best. You understand? Because some people honesty can't stay. But anyway, go grab your copy of phrase. Go grab your copy of phrase. So I have another little Cancerian who wants to promote her swimsuit line, and of course she's gonna give me one of those swimsuits. So next time we're coming on the live, I'm gonna put on one on. And Mr. Thompson, you can't come back because you got dead this time. So guys, listen. No, put it on the speaker. Why you not ready to do that? So listen, all of the good bally girl them. Me can't. Me just a try.
You're
connect it in at 3 holes. That's why. Plug it up. I want you guys to, I'm gonna post it. The swimsuits look really, really, really good. I saw the swimsuits look really, really good. And as me say, for the past few months, I've been working on the body, eating properly, doing the proper exercises, because it's when time Koma say I had time for let out. Have you ever seen children? Take off their shoes. I can't dance again. Have you ever seen children running from out of a school in the evening? Yes, when Koma say time to come out, go there, come out and all these things. And the swimsuit them look good. So in between exercising with Simply Fitness, waist training and all these things, they may go jump in a Taisha bath suit them, because you understand me? So she's calling, I want, she's nowhere close, so I need you guys to hear what she has to offer. All right. She's on? All right, go ahead, honey.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes, go ahead.
Well, are you guys ready to climax while shopping? Our climax swimwears are available for all ladies at www.
Hold on. Where the connection is for on to the connection. Guys, I don't want you to leave. I need you to hear this, because there's something in it for you. You're Taisha, you want to go again? Is that WhatsApp or no WhatsApp? Goody. Look like we lost the connection. So no need to stay for that one, because if you're a good body. Alright, so what I'll do then, I'll post her stuff on my page, because as I said, the swimsuits look really, really, really good. And I'll try my best to see if I can model one for you next week. I know, not next week or the other week, whenever. I know a lot of you, will be so pleased to see me modeling a swimsuit, but the plan is to model one, because they look really, really good. And as I said earlier, I am for the people. I support small businesses. So if you have an idea, if you have a business running, don't ever think it's too small. And nothing beats marketing, and marketing is one of the reasons why I did my undergrad. That's what I majored in, marketing, because I know that no business survives without marketing. And even though word of mouth is the most effective form of communication, you still have other forms. PR, we have video, we have print, you name it. You understand me? So do not feel as though your business is too small, you can't reach out to me. You might be thinking that advertisement is too expensive. You never know. You message me, we can work something out. I'm at the point right now, if we post something on the page, it's $10 per day. But then there's a discounted price. So for 7 days, you'll get that ad for $50. For the story, we get more views on the story. So it's $15 per day for the story. But if you do a 7 days with me, you'll get it for $70. And I'll if you want more, I can always do my videos where I can put on my different platforms, and You know, I can put the videos on my different platforms, and I can mention it for you. And if you have something, you know, such as this, you know, you want me to, you know, to spread the word for you, you know, you can send me the product. You know, I realize some people just want to have everything for free. They don't want to give you the product to give people your real honest feedback. Because if it not feel good, I'm gonna say it not feel good. And if the tea don't make me lose weight, I'm gonna say it don't make me lose weight. But anyway, you know, so you can reach out to me. You reach out to me.
20% off because of you Climax.
So you reach out to me with all the advertisement, you know, ideas. If you don't know, you know, if you have the idea, you know, I'll put something together for you. So guys, just reach out to me. And I need to let you know that because of me, because of Good Girl CC and our nice show and our whole views them, Climax is a very good word. Climax are going to 20% off swimsuits. I'm going to post them on my page. What are coming from? Oh, what number that? I'm going to post it on my page, but Climax is giving you a 20% off. As I said earlier, I'm stacking up on my swimsuits because come this summer, call me what you will, I don't care. I'll be half naked out on the streets. I've been locked in my house for years. Well, not really out on the street, but on the beach. As I say, when my producer said no son, right? So when Cuomo said it's time to go, and if I say bull I run out of pen, that's how I'll be running out. So go check out Simply Fitness 365. At Simply Fitness 365, that's the website, and they're also on Instagram. And Climax, right after this, I'll post, you know, pictures of the swimsuits. As I said, they look really good, and both stores are giving you a 20% discount if you use the code CC Live. So you can't, so you never get it for free over here. So you hear? All right, I'm gonna try to take myself for that something here. Come selector, give me my Natel. And guys, before I go, Natel, I must big you up. I can't big you up enough. You know, he's one of those people who really do. He doesn't get the recognition, but I know. I tell him, my time I go come, people out, and then, you know, I'll see you in the week or next week, whenever. But just keep on the lookout for me, and I'm gonna post the things for 36 Simply Fitness and Climax. Give me the song, the selector. Wait for no one to
How you got it on?
It's hard, baby.
Wait, I got it.
Good night, guys. Okay, baby. Taylor sleeping. Father oneself. One man, you know, listen. She will entertain into only for you. And when you want motivation, just listen to her talk. Make sure that you are not going to see life. Big up yourself, Natel. When CC attack, if you're inspired, put up on a natural life, and the truth in our life. Truth active in your life like many verbs. Me make sure say you happy with CC life. You don't need no TV. Put up your foot, get ready for enjoy CC. And they have to show no if no but or near me. She ready for educate, so make sure you log on to CC live. One more time, I'm gonna say here. To CC life, she will entertain too. Only for you. And when you want motivation, just listen to her talk. Make sure say you will log on to CC life. Well, grab your copy of Race on Amazon, guys. Or get your Simply Fitness waist trainers. Different colors. Different styles. And the price stay good like me. So you know like washing your skin dark like for me, you can't read that one, so just get the black one. You know you're nasty, don't even look on this. I'm not enough on the nasty. Just get the black one. I'm gonna wash my black one. You have to listen every word. And remember Climax, I'm gonna post it on my page. You know, if everybody good, swimsuit out for the summer. And if everybody not good, you have time to get in shape. Physically and mentally. Race is the mental fitness. Simply Fitness is a physical fitness. She ready to educate, so make sure you log on to CC Live. Big up yourself, Natel. Big up yourself, Samantha. Big up yourself, Mama. Somebody say, get a real grip. Make sure say you are log on to CC Live. Good night, guys. The live was awesome. Go check it out on the page, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.